Write a short notes on the following. A Vosotial, B Carpus bronzium, C Zonimoblast initials, D D Athena Testrosporophores. बताते कैसे हैं. Here are short notes. Here are short notes on the. Here are short notes. Here are short notes on the requested biological terms provided. Osotial. An osotial is a small pore or opening found in reproductive bodies or certain algae, of certain algae and fungi, such as the Perithecium subsesmocyte fungi, or the conceptacles of brown algae. Its primary functions to serve as an exit point where mature spores or gametes are released into the environments. The term is used higher. The term is used in higher plants. The term is used in higher plants. The term is also used in higher plants. इसके बाद बताते हैं term is also used in higher plants. इसके बाद फिर क्या चाहिए, such as the opening in a big syconium allows them to pollinating wasps to enter. Carpus sporangium is a structure within a red algae rhodophyta. That difold carpus spores by mitosis. The carpus sporangium develops on the carpus sporophylls. The difold generations allows them attach to the female gametophytes after fertilizations. Once the carpus spores are mature, the wall of the surrounding the wall of the surrounding carpus spores breaks down. The wall of the carpus spores breaks down. ठीक है ना. इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे है ब्रेक डाउन हले. इसके बाद फिर कैसे हले releasing them into the water. इसके बाद फिर क्या, germinate to produce a new dipole. Germinate to produce a new dipole phase, the sporophyte, the tetrasporophyte. इसके बाद फिर बताते हैं कैसे हैं. तीसरा में कैसे है नहीं, तीसरा में थी ना जोनिमोब्लास्ट. Zonomoblast is a filament, a difold cell that develops from the zygote fertilizations, and auxiliary cells in the for red algal life cycles है ना. red algal life cycles. इसके बाद फिर क्या चाहिए, the key component of the carpus spores, and introducing the carpus introducing the involves the carpus sporangia, and usually the कहते हैं usually the terminal cells on the filaments, and usually terminal cells on the usually the terminal cells on the filaments. ऐसा ना usually the terminal cells on the filaments. इसके बाद फिर क्या चले usually the terminal cells on the filaments. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं ऐसा ना usually the terminal cells on the filaments. इसके बाद फिर क्या चले बता रहे हैं कैसे the cassili, the corpus spongium is nourished. The corpus spongium is nourished by the surrounding female, the surrounding female gametophytes, female gametophyte tissue and functions is to release dipole carpus spores, dipole carpus spores from a single cell, है ना। इसके बाद फिर क्या चल फीमेल सेल, इसके बाद फिर क्या चल है ना। क्या चल fertilization events, fertilization event and adaptations to form a and adaptations to form and non-motile life cycle phases, है ना। इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं नॉन मोटाइल लाइफ साइकिल फेजेस, इसके बाद नॉन मोटाइल लाइफ साइकिल फेजेस, इसके बाद फिर क्या हल लास्ट वाला आंसर क्या हल अथी ना हल अथी क्या 1 मिनट अथी ना हल क्या लास्ट में क्या हल tetrasporophores, है ना। the tetrasporophores haploid in spores produced by the difold to n tetrasporophytes generations by generations many of red generations of many of red algae, they are formed by meiosis. They are formed by a specialized structure called tetrasporangia, with each sporangia producing which producing four tetra involving spores. The tetraspores release non-motiles like flagella, like flagella, like all red algae reproductive bodies, है ना। like all red algae reproductive bodies, है ना। upon germination develops into new and free living male and female, है ना। free living male and female। इसके बाद क्या है free levels male and females haploid gametophytes and thus the completing life cycle, that's the completing life cycle phase, and so complete.